Our glaciers are melting. Our oceans are polluted. Car emissions are polluting our air. Climate change is real, and we need to start taking care of our planet. We need to be a part of the solution, not the problem. The most important thing about global warming is this. Whether humans are responsible for the bulk of climate change is going to be left to the scientists. But it's all of our responsibility to leave this planet in better shape for the future generations than we found it. Mike Huckabee.
How much does the environmental impact of your cars depend on where the electricity is coming from? In other words, if you're drawing the electricity off of a coal-fired plant, is it still a good thing for the environment?
You know, it actually is. Even if you draw electricity from coal or natural gas or even directly from oil, because stationary power plants are so much more efficient than small gasoline engines in cars, an electric car actually ends up getting more range for a given amount of, say, coal or oil that's burned than a gasoline car gets. So in other words, the CO2 per mile is actually less for an electric car, even if it's coming from a high CO2 source like coal.
Elon Musk, CEO of Tesla, was ahead of the curve. In 2008, the first Tesla Roadster was delivered to Musk, and that started the campaign for more electric cars. Over 200,000 Teslas are on the roads today, including the Model S and the Model X, both averaging over 95 miles to the gallon. Electric cars are the future, and we must continue to invest in these smarter options for our environment. Tesla's perks is another reason to switch, one of them being Autopilot. 8 surround sound cameras provide 360 degrees of visibility around the car at up to 250 meters of range. Autopilot advanced safety and convenience features are designed to assist you with the most burdensome parts of driving. Autopilot introduces new features and improves existing functionality to make your Tesla safer and more capable over time. Your Tesla will match speed to traffic conditions, keep within a lane, automatically change lanes without requiring driver input, transition from one freeway to another, exit the freeway when your destination is near, self-park when near a parking spot, and be summoned to and from your garage. Other models include the Audi e-tron and the Nissan Leaf. The future is bright for electric cars, and one day they will be the only cars on the road because it is safer for the environment. Another realistic approach to climate change is the 3 R's. Reduce, reuse, recycle. We recycle every day: paper, metal, cardboard, plastic, and we must continue to do so to keep it out of our landfills and to reuse these products for future products.
So we take all of those unsorted recyclables and we're pushing it through our processing system, which is almost all automatic. It's about 2.5 miles worth of conveyor belts, magnets, cameras, all sorts of other machines dedicated to just sorting out different materials.
The sorting machine is very high tech and sorts 14 kinds of materials, like glass, aluminum, cartons, and different types of plastic. Once enough of a material is collected, it's compressed into a 1,000 to 1,500 pound block called a bale. After the bales are sorted, they're sold to third-party companies. For example, a bale of aluminum might sell for $800. Buyers then take that raw material, clean and process it, and turn it into something new. This process saves way more energy than mining for virgin materials. With the same amount of energy that it takes to make 1 can of new aluminum, you can make 20 cans from recycled aluminum. And using 1 ton of recycled plastic saves 16 barrels of oil.
The process is in place. We just have to continue to follow through on recycling. One company is making a difference. Adidas has teamed up with Parlay, a space where creators, thinkers, and leaders come together to raise awareness for the beauty of our oceans and collaborate on projects that can end their destruction. This is a fantastic project. Adidas and Parlay are working together to keep recycled items out of our oceans and making them into something that we can use. Electric cars and recycling are just 2 ways we can help improve our environment. Now it's your turn to make a change, because our future generations depend on it.